guys, I hope you are well. Today I'm back with another car mod. I will be doing the wind deflectors on the Vauxhall Astra H SXI model. The package has arrived and it is from iSpeed. The link will be in the description. They're tinted as well. It comes with a free cloth. So guys, I've just opened it up. It looks really good. It's tinted as well. Very simple to do. So you've got the glue. So what you would do is you would take the yellow tape off. So as I'm concentrating, but yep, that's one. There's the glue. Now you want to simply just put it in. You want to slide this part first. So let's do this. Yep, and then slide it up like this. And now put these back on. They should be back on. And in it goes. So guys, these are the clips that it comes with. There's a total of 8, so it would be 2 in each window. And I've already clipped one here. Now we're gonna clip the second one. So one should be clipped this side, just underneath here, and one should be here. You would face the clip up like this, and use like a flathead screwdriver and push it upwards and clip on. Alright. There. You hear that clip? It's proper secured now. It shouldn't come out. Let's close the window. Success! Got the back window deflectors. Now you've got the yellow tape, you've got to pull it off. Now, you place it in. So one clip should be here. So it's secure, safe and secure. That's one. Now you got the second clip, and you would clip it in here. Like so. And that should be done. That's the wind deflectors done for this side anyway. And yeah, it looks really good. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here. Cool. I've got the passenger side. And that's it. Like so. Now you want to put your clips in. There, one is done. Okay, and then don't forget guys, it's 2 clips on each window. So yeah, the second one here, like so. So these should slide in like so. And now you just want to get your clips. So your final 2 clips. And that's you done. Now with the free cloth that they give, you clean up the mess that you made while doing it. There shouldn't be that much mess, but it gives them a little clean. So it gets rid of the fingerprint. So I don't know if you can tell, you can see some here. And wipe it. So guys, that's me just on the wind deflectors, my car in the back. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.